Okay, so just a quick thing. Found out a couple of really interesting things here. In the code for Larryboy and the Bad Apple, there are two locations in memory. What I've called cutscenes game location, right here, where in-game cutscenes load into, and the cutscenes intro location, where specifically the intro cutscenes load to. And you'll notice that the characters in this are just garbage. If you look up here, actually, you can see the bytes laid out in order, left to right, and you'll see that it's just garbage. But when a cutscene gets loaded into one of these two sections, it will actually contain something. Now, gets loaded into here is the file path of the cutscene on disk, and those are stored in these files: Larryboy /data/mov/ cutscene.pss. I'm going to go to these labels that I've set. Intro test B is the one that I've discovered. So you'll see that it says, it's kind of hard to read like this, but if you read it up here, it says data/mov/ intro test. And just for the record, this is intro test.pss. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You get the worm here. Now, this is an 8-character long title. lboy.temp.pss is also 8 characters long, and it looks like this. It starts with Alfred. What we should be seeing upon starting a new game is intro.tst.pss. That's the new game cutscene that appears to introduce the characters in the world. lboy.temp.pss is what plays after the tutorial, and I'm going to get lboy.temp.pss to play instead of intro.tst. So I'm going to go up here and edit this lboy.temp, and now you can see that it's changed in each of these columns here. It's just faster to go up there and edit it manually, and that's all I need to do. So I've edited this. I'm gonna create a new game. I'm gonna go to my label, intro game location, cutscenes game location. I'm gonna hit new game, and we're gonna see data mov lboy.temp.pss gets copied into there. It is that simple. I thought it was way more complex than that. So if we oh my god, where is it? We go here and reboot this so that my edits are unfixed. I'll go through that process again and show you what it's supposed to look like, so you know I actually did something. This is super, super cool. You can ignore that. I'm running an old version of PCSX2 to work with this particular debugger. Check this out. Let's skip all this. Skip. And well, while we're at it, I was going to say, you can see down here, data, well, it was there for a second, data mov crave or whatever. Regardless, so we're in the cutscenes game location. I'm going to create a new save file. Now, without editing anything, you're going to see in the cutscenes game location, data mov intro.tst.pss. So I figured this out, and I'm hoping that using this technique or a similar technique, I can apply a permanent code to the elf that redirects where the cutscenes go, and we can use that to effectively ignore cutscenes without changing the distribution of memory inside the actual game, because it seems that removing the files themselves causes a whole bunch of audio errors. So with any luck, we should be able to do that. Thanks for watching.